It's Bonnie. Happy Saturday! Oh my goodness, you guys. I have what I hope is going to be a fun and educational video for you. I am going to talk about who has the best holiday scrub of the season. I've got Tree Hut, I've got Bath and Body Works, and I've got Trader Joe's. And I've tried all of these out, and I'm going to talk about each of them in terms of price, overall quality, and fragrance. Like, which one is the most festive? So, first up, Bath and Body Works. So, Bath and Body Works, I don't know why I'm getting the thumbs up. I got the fireworks before. Now I'm getting the thumbs up again. Bath and Body Works has really dropped the ball this year on holiday scrubs, unless I'm just not seeing them. So far this year, we only have strawberry snowflakes and snowflakes in cashmere. There's no twisted peppermint. There's no winter candy apple. There's no vanilla bean Noel, which is very shocking to me. They always have the core scrubs. I'm like, I don't know where they are. So if anyone knows what's happening, let me know, because it's very strange. However, I gotta say, I love that they do have strawberry snowflakes in the exfoliating glow body scrub. So I'm only using this formula because they don't have like the whipped confetti scrub this year. I can't do a comparison. So this one is a shea butter extract vitamin E formula. It is $18.95. Pricey. However, if you do like the Black Friday deal or the buy three, get three, it's going to cut it down in half to about $9. You have a coupon. We're talking in like the $7 range. This is an 8-ounce bottle, and the scent is juicy strawberry, whipped cream, iced bergamot. It's wonderful. I got to say, I love the strawberry snowflakes. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand. Look how fast it comes out. This is a very slippery, gooey scrub. Look at this. It's pretty though. It's shiny and it's very smooth. And it smells amazing. Whipped strawberry candy. Look at this on my hand. Not a lot of exfoliating action. I would say this is almost closer to a very mildly exfoliating shower gel. There's some bubbles to it. I got my wipes here so I can not make a big mess. It rinses clean. It is not one of their like big sugar scrubs. I do love it though. I gotta say, it's a great scrub. It's not super exfoliating though. So that is the Bath and Body Works. Okay, next up we have Tree Hut. So Tree Hut released big line of Christmas stuff this year. This is the threesome that I got. The big tubs run between like $7.99 and like $9.99, I'd say. I can't remember what I paid for the threesome. So we have Moroccan Rose, we have Candy Cane, and then we have Sparkling Sugar, which I think is the weirdest one of the group. I did not like this one. It doesn't smell like sparkling sugar. I love the color. It just kind of smells like a little bit florally. I don't know. I don't like it. Moroccan Rose is definitely florally in the Tree Hut collection. I haven't even used that one. The Candy Cane one is my favorite. I actually have a big one of these in the bathroom. So your Tree Hut scrubs are going to be a light sugar scrub. It's not those giant crystals like Bath and Body Works sugar scrubs. Those are like huge sugar crystals. However, this one has more exfoliation than the Bath and Body Works version. And it doesn't have as much of a shower gel quality. It's more, it almost feels like a paste, like it's a exfoliating paste. It's really nice, like at elbows, feet. It works really well. I gotta say, I've always loved the Tree Hut scrubs. I actually use these to clean my bathtub because it's a good abrasive. I use bleach too, but I just use it as an abrasive and it works really well. And your skin feels like amazingly soft after you use a Tree Hut scrub. I think the regular Tree Hut I think, how many ounces are those? I just had it up on the screen because looking at Target a price. I want to say they're like, let me look. I'm going to look really quick because I don't want to get the one wrong. The big Tree Hut scrubs are, let me see, Tree Hut scrub. How many ounces are those? Those are, yeah, those are 18 ounces. That's a lot of product. Okay, so what size is this? This is the 5.5 ounce. So you can kind of tell. I mean, Bath & Body Works is not giving you a ton of product here. With the 8 ounce. Yeah, 8 ounce. This is 5.5. It just looks a little bit bigger in this tube. I don't like the tubes as much too. I like the tub. A lot of people like the tubes. I don't know. It's just preference. I feel like I can never get all the product out of these though. So this is tops on my list. I really love the candy cane one. I'm not crazy about sparkling sugar or Moroccan rose, but I like the mintiness of the candy cane. So this is, I got it right in my mouth. That's a total winner for me. I like that one. Okay, next up we have, oh, by the way, this is Winter Candy Apple from last year. It's the Exfoliating Glow Body Scrub. We're not having Winter Candy Apple this year, and it smells so good. I'm so sad. And they kind of got rid of the whipped confetti scrubs. I don't know what happened to those. Okay, next up we have, oh my gosh, the Trader Joe Hot Cocoa Scented Whipped Body Scrub. This is like, I think this is like $5 or $6.99. I should have looked. 8 ounce. So same size as this. Just looks a little different packaging here. This formula is amazing. So I used this last night. It's kind of like a paste. Look at that. But it goes on really smoothly like this. Check it out. It almost feels like a rough frosting. I mean, it just really, really goes on nicely. And then if you work it in, you get a nice, like, exfoliating glow. I really love it. It's got glycerin in it, sucrose. So I think it's like a sugar scrub, shea butter. It smells amazing. It smells just like hot chocolate. I mean, straight on Nestle hot chocolate. It's like you're just bathing in chocolate, which, who wouldn't love that? I don't know why Bath & Body Works doesn't do a chocolate line. Seriously, I just don't get it. This one smells really good. It's all over my nose. I would have loved to have reviewed the Dove stuff, honestly, because I'm kind of curious to see what their scrubs are like. I still might try and get my hands on one of those Dove scrubs, but as of now, I have not been able to do that because I can't find it. So what the heck's going on with that? I don't know. I should run out to Chardon. So anyway, this really makes your hand feel like, I was really impressed how soft my hand felt. I mean, I've used all 3 of them now, so now the difference, I got really soft skin. But when I used these this week, I really felt like the Trader Joe's version just really made my skin feel like nice and soft. Now you're gonna have to use a shower gel with this too because it doesn't like double as a shower gel. Where I feel like the exfoliating glow, it's kind of like a shower gel too. So you kind of don't have to use both products. I use a shower gel with the Tree Hut. So that is kind of the difference between all 3 of them. So which one is my favorite? So I've always been very hooked on the Bath & Body Works versions. The problem with Bath & Body Works is they're not consistent in any way, shape, or form with their scrubs. Like your favorite scent doesn't always match up with your favorite scrub. Like maybe you like the sugar scrub and they don't have it in your favorite scent, or you like the exfoliating glow and, like they don't have it Winter Candy Apple, which you really wanted for the holidays. So I think that's the one place that Bath & Body Works kind of drops the ball, is you just never know what you're going to get. I mean, if you like strawberry snowflakes, which I do, this one's a total win. This is a Black Friday pick for me. I'm kind of hoping, actually, for Body Care Day, they have these included. So 2 things you can do. If you have a 20% off coupon, I would get this on Black Friday just in case they're sold out. So let me see. Let me do the math. We're going to do $18.95 divided by 2 minus 20%, be like $7.58. However, if you want to hold off to Body Care Day, which should be the Saturday after Candle Day on the 2nd, so like what, about the 10th, you might be able to get these in the $4.95, $5.95 range, whatever Body Care Day is going to be. But there's a chance they could be sold out because they're like the only scrubs in town for Christmas. So kind of a gamble. I feel like the Tree Hut is in pretty good supply. I was just at, where was I? It was somewhere and I saw like a whole, oh, it was a Target. And I'm like, there's a whole rack of like the holiday Tree Hut stuff. So I feel like that's easy to find. I'm really worried that this is going to be sold out really quickly. After I did my video the other day, everyone's like, I'm running to Trader Joe's. So I feel like everybody is heading to Trader Joe's to get this hot cocoa with body scrub. I think I'm going to head to Trader Joe's tomorrow and get a second one because I love it so much. And I'm like, I got to have a second or third backup on these, and they're not very expensive. So price-wise, I feel like this is actually the best deal. And I love the scent. I love the chocolate. So I'm going to say that Trader Joe's is the winner this year in terms of the scrub. I'm digging it like 1,000%. So anyway, let me know what you think. What's your favorite scrub this holiday season? And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye-bye. I can't find the button. I always do this. I go to end my video and I'm like, I can't find the button. Okay, I'm finding the button now. I'll see you guys later. I'm going to go grab a snack. See, thumbs up for my snack. Bye-bye.